Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve a question taken from Purvanchal University 2014 final paper, and the question is write a program to illustrate concept of switch statement. So guys, I will write the complete code line by line and explain every line, and I hope you will understand. And if you don't understand anything, then please don't hesitate to ask the question in comment section at end of the video. Even if you have any other program and you want solution for that, please post your question in comment section. I will solve that and provide solution for you. And for these all tutorials, you can find code on the 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗃 website. The link will be shared shortly in the video description. And please also watch the playlist. Check it out the playlist. I am providing different year programming problem solution in the video. Okay guys, so now let's get started with the question. So we have to illustrate the switch statement concept. So we can easily do, we have to perform just like operation like switch or addition, subtraction, like that operation we can perform and done. So arithmetic operation we will do and the things will be done. Okay. So let me do it. Okay. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to declare some variable. So we can like choose the operation, means what operation user want to perform, and also we have to select like the number, any two number we want, right, for arithmetic operation. So n1, n2, okay, we need it. And I think we also need one loop. So I we will take, and okay, and we also need what flag or something we can also take. So flag also we will take, and initially we will put like flag equal to, or just put flag. Okay. So let me just print some message on the screen. Okay. So here the illustration of switch statement as below. Okay, so illustration we are doing, and what we will do, while f equal to 1, and initially we will put flag equal to 1. So while f equal to 1, what we have to do, we have to do, and also okay, flag equal to 1, so we have to read something. Okay, so what we have to do, okay, print of. Before that also it will be better to go and check I equal to 1, and let me make it flag, I will make it here. Okay, so if here while I equal to 1, we will print the menu and the operation, the arithmetic operation is, what are operation available, the arithmetic operation. So in number 1, let me also break here line so it will look much more fresh here. So at 1 we are doing addition, and 2 number we are doing subtraction, and number 3 we are doing division. You can add other thing, I am not adding. 4 we will exit. Okay, and then after what we will do, This is done. So what we will do, we will ask user for what? We will ask user for enter your choice. So user will enter their choice, means what operation they want to perform. So scan of percentile D or I, sorry, %CH. So user choice will be there. And what we are going to do? So we have some operation we have to do. Those operation. So now what we are going to do? We are going to check what the user choice is. Okay. So if user choice is, if CH equal to 1 or CH equal to 2 or CH equal to 3 or CH equal to 4. Okay, let me do this please. 4, then only we will do operation, right? Otherwise we need not to do operation. Okay, so if that is the case, we will do switch of CH. We will do. Okay, and in that we will write all those keys. Okay. So sorry, beforehand also we have to do something. Okay. So if that is the case, what we will do? If this operation is from here, CH up to 3 only, up to 3. We have to read also number, right? So here we are reading, so everywhere we need not to write. So print of, okay, and enter first number. Okay, so enter first number, scan of percentile D, %, and N1. And also the same way we have to go for second number. So enter second number, and that is N2. Okay. So if this is done, what we have to do? We have to switch, right? So we have to go for switch of CH, or we have better to go outside and switch. Okay. Sorry. So we have, okay, if this is belonging, okay. So switch up change twice, and then switch up twice. In case 1, what we are trying to do? Case 1, we are trying to print off the addition, right? The addition of percentile D and percentile D is percentile D. Okay, N1, N2, N1 plus N2, and break. Even you can write in next line, but I want to make this code in one page first, so I am doing like this. So how many cases we have? We have 3 cases here, right? Case 2, case 3. So case 2, what we will write? The subtraction, right? In second number, what we are doing? Subtraction. BSTRACTI, the subtraction of first and second number is n1 minus n2. N1 minus n2. And the division of or multiplication, what is the division? So the division of percentile d and percentile h, percentile d, and you can see guys here division can be okay. So here division can be in float type, okay, because there will be 5/3, so that is float type, so we have to typecast to float, okay, and of this will be otherwise default what we will do, in default we will do like even case 4 we have to do, okay. So make it 3 and case 4. So if case 4 what we will do, case 4 is exit, right? So we have to do like, okay, we have to do like I equal to 0 and we have to mention like break. Other case, if like input is 5, 6, then what it will do? So it will print of sorry, okay, here I will print something new line, so this will be in new line we have to print, okay. Let's do it. Just I am making it more user friendly, okay. Nothing. Okay, so this is sorry. The choice is not in the list. The choice is not in the list. Okay. Try it. Okay. So this message we will print. Okay. So I think this is done. Okay, let me run it and show you the output what we are getting. Okay, and of I think we don't need of, just one is sufficient. Okay, run it, what it is showing. Okay, so expected before, somewhere I just did a little mistake. So at what number line it is showing? At 27 number line. Okay. Oh, here, right? Here. Okay. Here also type error I have done somewhere in screen of here. Okay. So this is minor mistake you don't know. I am sorry for that. Actually, I did. In laptop, actually in offline compiler it's not take by default, so that is the habit I did. Okay, illustration of switch statement as below, you can see. And what are the resting? Okay. So it is asking, okay, enter your choice, so I want to addition. Okay. So enter your first number 5 and enter your second number 8. 5, 8 is 30. You can see addition of 5 and 8 is 30. Now again it is asking for the next operation, right? So I am going for subtraction 8 and 2. So you can see the subtraction is 6. Now I am going for third choice, and here it is asking for 8 by, I will give 5, 8 by 5. So you can see this is 1.66. Now I will give 8 something. So it is telling, sorry, your choice is not in the list, try it. And if I give 4, it will be terminated. Okay. So this is all about this program, and still if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am always there to help you out. So please ask your question, and please, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with other learners. Thanks again. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.